If you're investing in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're getting more than just Apple's latest flagship device. You're getting their largest screen ever. While the phone's display is incredibly durable, no screen is completely resistant to damage. That's why a screen protector is a must-have accessory, providing a crucial layer of defense against everyday scratches, drops, and unexpected impacts. Whether you're seeking military-grade protection or an affordable alternative, we've got you covered. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 6. OtterBox Premium Pro Blue Light Screen Protector. The OtterBox Premium Pro Blue Light Screen Protector is an exceptional choice for iPhone 16 Pro Max users who want comprehensive screen protection with added benefits. This screen protector is designed to safeguard your device from everyday damage, offering robust 6-foot drop protection and advanced anti-scratch technology to ensure long-lasting durability. What sets this protector apart is its integrated blue light filter, which significantly reduces eye strain caused by prolonged screen time. This is particularly useful for those who spend extended hours on their phone, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. In addition to its protective features, the OtterBox Premium Pro is also environmentally friendly, incorporating over 60% recycled materials into its design. This eco-conscious approach aligns with sustainable values, making it a great choice for environmentally aware users. The protector is easy to install and maintains high clarity and touch sensitivity, ensuring that your iPhone 16 Pro Max remains visually vibrant and responsive. Combining superior defense, eye care, and eco-friendliness, this screen protector offers a well-rounded solution for protecting your device and enhancing your user experience. Number 5. Belkin UltraGlass 2 Screen Protector. The Belkin UltraGlass 2 Screen Protector is a premium option for those seeking high-quality protection for their iPhone 16 Pro Max. This protector stands out with its use of German-engineered lithium aluminosilicate, LOS glass, which is renowned for its exceptional strength, up to 2.7 times stronger than conventional tempered glass. This means it offers superior protection against drops, impacts, and everyday wear while maintaining a sleek, slim profile of just 0.29 millimeters thick. Despite its strength, the protector ensures that your phone's screen remains clear and vibrant, thanks to its scratch-resistant surface that preserves the display's original clarity. The Belkin UltraGlass 2 is also designed to integrate seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem, providing a perfect fit and compatibility with your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Its ease of installation and high level of durability make it a reliable choice for users who want a premium protector that enhances their phone's longevity and visual quality. Whether you're looking for robust protection or a seamless fit with Apple's design, the Belkin UltraGlass 2 delivers both, ensuring your device remains well protected and visually stunning. Number 4. ESR Armorite Screen Protector. For users who need maximum durability for their iPhone 16 Pro Max, the ESR Armorite Screen Protector offers outstanding performance. This protector features a 9H+ hardness rating, which means it can withstand impacts of up to 110 pounds, making it ideal for those who expose their phone to harsh environments or accidental drops. Its impressive strength doesn't come at the cost of ease of use, thanks to the UltraFit installation tray that guarantees a precise, bubble-free application. This ensures a seamless fit and alignment on your device's screen. Additionally, the ESR Armorite uses micro-nano adhesive technology to ensure a strong and lasting bond, preventing any lifting or peeling over time. This protector not only provides superior defense against scratches and impacts, but also maintains the touch sensitivity of your screen, ensuring a smooth user experience. Perfect for those who require extra protection without compromising on ease of installation. The ESR Armorite Screen Protector offers robust durability and a user-friendly design, making it a top choice for demanding users. Number 3. TORRAS Military Grade Screen Protector. The TORRAS Military Grade Screen Protector is built to handle the toughest conditions and is perfect for iPhone 16 Pro Max users who need reliable protection. This protector is crafted from aerospace-grade glass and has been rigorously tested to endure drops from heights of up to 12 feet, providing exceptional defense against accidental falls. Its military-grade design ensures that your screen remains intact and functional even under extreme conditions. The protector also features an advanced anti-reflection coating that minimizes glare and enhances visibility in bright light, ensuring that your display remains clear and easy to read in various lighting environments. Additionally, the anti-fingerprint treatment helps keep your screen free from smudges and fingerprints, maintaining its pristine look. Combining high-level drop protection with everyday usability, the TORRAS military-grade screen protector is designed to offer peace of mind without compromising on screen clarity or touch sensitivity. For users who frequently drop their phones or work in challenging environments, this protector provides a durable and effective solution for safeguarding your device. Number 2. JETech Screen Protector. The JETech Screen Protector offers an excellent combination of affordability and high-quality protection for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. This value-packed 2-pack includes screen protectors made from 9H hardness-tempered glass, providing robust defense against scratches, bumps, and impacts. Its ultra-thin design ensures that your phone's touch sensitivity remains unaffected, allowing for a smooth and responsive user experience. The included alignment frame simplifies the installation process, enabling a perfect, bubble-free fit in just seconds. This easy installation process helps prevent misalignment and ensures a seamless application every time. Despite its budget-friendly price, the JETech Screen Protector does not compromise on quality, offering reliable protection and maintaining the clarity of your screen. Number 1. Smartish Screen Protector. The Smartish Screen Protector is an excellent choice for those seeking reliable protection for their iPhone 16 Pro Max at a competitive price. This 2-pack features protectors with a scratch-resistant surface, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and protect your screen from scratches, drops, and fingerprints. The included application frame ensures a quick and easy installation, delivering a precise, bubble-free fit every time. Although it may not offer advanced features like blue light filtering or military-grade durability, it provides essential protection where it matters most. The Smartish Screen Protector balances affordability with solid protection, ensuring that your phone remains safeguarded without breaking the bank. Its high-quality design maintains screen clarity and touch sensitivity, making it a practical choice for everyday use. If you're looking for an effective and budget-friendly solution for screen protection, the Smartish Protector offers a perfect blend of value and performance, providing dependable defense and ease of installation at an attractive price point. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.